Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you a paper cut effect of Canva. Right now as you can see we are into Canva and here we have just selected a blank image template. Now what we are going to do is we are going to text, add a heading and type OK. Now we have selected this text, clicked on font type and here we will simply search for 210 font, scroll to last and select this one. Okay, let me increase the size so that you can see it properly. Okay, place it over here. Now what we are going to do is we are going to select this O and change its color to this, and now we are going to select K and change its color to this. Okay. Now what we are going to do is we are going to elements, search for shape, select this shape. Now look, we can't do this. Like we can click on triple dot, layer, right, send backward, but what would happen is that your O would also take the same color because here O and K are transparent, right? So you just need to place it properly. Okay, like this. You can change its color to the same color. This one, right? Now we can duplicate it, rotate it, place it over here, right? Increase its size little bit, that we will manage later after zooming in, right? Similarly, we have duplicated, place it over here, change the color to pink, okay, duplicate it, place it over here, duplicate it, and now we are going to rotate it, okay, place it over here, right? Now we can zoom in and set the size accordingly. We can click on corner rounding, remove the corner rounding, right, and zoom. Okay, okay, it's perfect. Similarly, we'll select this, remove the corner rounding first. Okay, and it's done. Now what we are going to do is we are going to elements and search for man. Now going to photos, right, and here you can find a good looking man. Sir, very much good looking. Thank you, my dear friend. Thank you. I knew it. Will like. Okay, done. Duplicate it. Paste it over here. Now we will select this one image. Click on triple dot and then layer and then send backward, 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 backward. So that now we are to send it backward. Good. Done. Right. Okay, I will teach you this over here. No issues. So let me go back to elements and let's search for man or some. Remove its background, change the size, okay, duplicate it. Let's place it over here. Now send this to back, layer, send backward, 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 backward. Okay, it's done. Now we will bring it back. Okay, then do it such manner. Okay, now we are going to select the text, add some effect, drop effect. Okay, and we are going to check by choosing transparency, increasing the transparency and offset, tight, blurriness, we can freeze, okay. So in this manner, you can simply create such effect, right? This is a paper cutout effect which you can create using Canva. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.